thought this would never run. Maybe it will. Now.
Because of the end of civilization, the clamp cable network now leaves the air. We hope you have enjoyed our programming, but more importantly, we hope you have enjoyed life.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Oh, yes, sir. It's very uplifting.
These operations from now on. Hey, this is. You've captured the whole essence of the project right here. Look at the kids with the kites. That's warmth. I like warmth. What's your name?
Billy. William Peltzer, sir.
Bill, huh? Now, that's what we need here. People who produce, huh? Let's loot those elm trees, though, Bill. People see elm, they think Dutch, disease.
Absolutely.
Those elm trees, though, Bill. People see elm, they think Dutch, disease.
Absolutely.
Ready, Billy? Turn it on!
Lamento lo que le pasó al edificio.
Yo no.